Two friends, Alex and Jamie. They both earn about the same amount of money and have similar expenses, but they have different ideas about what to do with the money they save. Alex decides to keep her extra money in a savings account at the bank, thinking it's safe and sound there. Jamie, on the other hand, decides to try investing his extra money in stocks and bonds, hoping it will grow over time. Both Alex and Jamie want the same thing: to be financially independent. This means having enough money to not worry about bills and to be able to enjoy life without stressing over finances. They dream of the day they can make choices based on what they want to do, not what they have to do because of money. But here's the catch. Even though they start in the same place, their journeys take different paths because of their choices. Saving, like what Alex is doing, is putting money aside for later. It's safe because the money doesn't decrease, but it also doesn't grow much. On the other hand, investing, Jamie's choice, involves using the money to buy things that could increase in value over time, like stocks or real estate. This can help the money grow much faster than in a savings account, but it also comes with the risk of losing money if the investments don't do well. When we talk about these two paths, saving and investing, it's important to know how both can help you reach financial independence. For many people, finding the right balance between saving enough to feel secure and investing enough to grow their wealth is key to achieving their financial dreams. By the end of this video, you'll understand the roles that saving and investing play in managing your money. You'll see why knowing when to save and when to invest is crucial for building a future where you're financially free to make your own choices. Let's discover how you can use both saving and investing to achieve your financial independence. Number 1. Understanding the basics. When we talk about managing money, two words often come up: saving and investing. It's like choosing between walking on a steady path or taking a bit of a hike up a hill. Both paths lead to important places, but they're quite different. Saving money is like putting it in a safe box. Imagine you have a piggy bank. Every time you get some money, you put a part of it into this piggy bank. This money is there for you when you need it, maybe for buying a new bike, fixing your car, or just having it there for emergencies, also referred to as emergency funds. The money stays the same, grows a little bit if it's in a bank account that pays you interest, but it's mostly just sitting there, safe and sound. Investing is more like planting a seed and watching it grow. You might buy a little piece of a company. That's called a stock. Lend money to someone and get interest. That's called bonds. Or even own a small part of a building. That's called real estate. Over time, these investments can grow as the companies grow, the interest adds up, or the building becomes worth more. It's exciting because your money is working for you. But just like plants need time to grow, so do your investments. And sometimes, just like a plant might not grow if the weather is bad, investments can go down in value too. You might wonder, should I save or should I invest? The truth is, most people need a bit of both. Saving gives you a safety net, money that's there when you need it quickly. Investing is for the future, helping you build wealth over time so you can reach bigger goals, like buying a house or retiring comfortably. Choosing how much to save and how much to invest depends on what you need and dream of in the future. It's like packing for a trip. Some things you need right away, and some you'll need later. Both saving and investing are important parts of taking care of your money and making sure it's there for you, both now and in the future. Number 2. The journey of the savers. Let us say you're going on a journey, and you've decided to take the safe path. This is what savers do. They choose a path that's more about being careful and making sure they have what they need for tomorrow. Looking at Jordan. Jordan likes to know exactly how much money they have at all times. They put their extra cash into a savings account because it feels safe. When Jordan gets a paycheck, a part of it goes straight into savings, maybe for emergencies or something special they want to buy later. Saving is great for short-term goals. Think about needing money for a new phone, a trip with friends, or just having a safety net in case something unexpected happens, like your car needing repairs. The money is easy to get to, and you don't have to worry about it losing value suddenly. But there's a catch. When Jordan saves money, it grows very slowly. The bank gives a little bit of interest, but it's not much. Over time, things get more expensive due to inflation. That means what you can buy with $100 today might cost more tomorrow. And the money in savings doesn't grow fast enough to keep up. So, while Jordan feels safe, their money isn't working very hard for them. Even with these challenges, saving is important. It's your safety net. To make the most of it, Jordan looks for the best savings account with higher interest rates. They also set clear goals, like saving for a holiday, which keeps them motivated, and they know it's smart to have some money saved for emergencies. Financial experts often suggest enough to cover expenses for 3 to 6 months. In the journey of financial independence, savers like Jordan play it safe. They might not get rich quickly, but they sleep well at night knowing they have money set aside for what they need soon. And that's a pretty good feeling. Number 3. The path of the investors. Now, let's switch paths and talk about investors. Imagine you're on a journey, but this time, you decide to take a more adventurous route through the hills. This is what investors do. They're ready to take some risks for the chance of seeing their money grow more than it would by just sitting in a savings account. Also, another guy named John. John decides to use some of their money to buy things that could increase in value, like shares in companies or pieces of real estate. They're not just saving. They're trying to make their money grow by investing it. Investing is great for long-term goals, like buying a house, starting a business, or retiring comfortably. When John invests, their money has the potential to grow much faster than it would in a savings account, especially over many years. This is because companies grow and real estate values usually go up, which means the pieces John owns become more valuable. But investing isn't always smooth. Just like a hike in the hills, there are ups and downs. The value of John's investments can go up and down depending on how the companies perform, what happens in the economy, and other factors. Sometimes, John might even lose money if an investment doesn't do well. Despite the risks, John knows that investing wisely can lead to big rewards. They spread their investments across different types of assets, stocks, bonds, real estate, to reduce the risk of losing everything. John also thinks long-term, knowing that while there might be bad days or even years, the overall trend for well-chosen investments is usually up. In the end, investors like John are on an exciting journey. They know that to reach their big financial goals, they need to take some risks and be patient. Over time, their adventurous path can lead them to financial independence, where they have grown their money enough to enjoy the lifestyle they dream of. Number 4. Achieving balance. After exploring the journeys of both savers and investors, it's clear that both paths have their own set of benefits and challenges. Now, imagine finding a road that merges the safety of saving with the growth potential of investing. This is what achieving a balance between saving and investing looks like. Think of someone named Riley. Riley understands that having some money saved up is like having a sturdy umbrella. It offers protection on rainy days. But Riley also knows that to reach the sunny days of financial freedom, investing some money can help it grow faster than raindrops filling a bucket. So, Riley decides to do both. Save for immediate needs and emergencies while investing for future dreams and goals. Finding the right balance between saving and investing depends on a few things. First, consider your goals. Are you saving for something in the near future, like a car or vacation? That money should probably be saved, not invested. But if you're thinking about long-term goals, like buying a home in 10 years or retiring, investing could be the way to go. Next, think about your comfort with risk. If the thought of your money going up and down makes you nervous, you might prefer to save more and invest less. But if you're okay with some ups and downs for the chance of greater growth, investing a larger portion could be right for you. Riley makes a plan that includes saving a part of every paycheck in a high-interest savings account for emergencies and short-term goals. The rest goes into a mix of investments, chosen carefully to grow over time. By regularly reviewing and adjusting this balance, Riley can stay on track toward financial independence, adapting as life changes. Combining saving and investing is like walking with a safety net while reaching for the stars. It's about finding your own balance that lets you feel secure today while growing your wealth for tomorrow. This personalized approach to managing money is a powerful step toward achieving your financial dreams.